Welcome back to my channel. I started my day outside in the sun, helping my parents with their kitchen garden. We planted some seasonal veggies, and this is a week later. I'm getting ready to plant some more and get whatever is growing in excess. My cousin and I got some broccoli and tomato saplings and we headed to our location. The house is still under construction, but we are more focused on our organic produce. I usually take up jobs that enhance functionality and aesthetics. Also, I like building stuff from scratch. Time for some lunch after the hard work. I had a corn spinach sandwich. It's usually my go-to food when I'm short on time. We went back and uprooted the bigger ones to make more space for the rest to grow. Finally, our first batch of homegrown leafy veggies. Now, this is a snack that I can devour in dozens. It's called thekua and is a revered snack during Chhat Puja, a festival native to Bihar and neighboring states. I got down with fever, so I'm taking this Ayurvedic health supplement called Chyawanprash for energy while finishing off some work. I didn't want to cook anything, so I went ahead with some bread and butter with a slice of papaya. I'm getting ready for a sleepover at an Airbnb. It's a close friend's wedding soon, so we thought of spending some time together. কিনে খাবলে তাৰপিছত তিনিদিন বাজিব বেকগ্ৰাউণ্ডত এই মাছৰ চেফ চবতকৈ বেয়া ক্ৰিটিক ইয়ে হ'ব মানে তুমি হাফ হাফকে দিয়া তেতিয়া তোমাৰ অফাৰ বুজিলোঁ হ'ব নেকি Next morning, we headed out to have my all-time favorite English breakfast. Soon after, I went out with a friend to get a cake for my father's birthday. I got these flowers as a form of therapy and self-love. I sometimes buy flowers because it makes me happy and enhances the aesthetics of the house. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Have a good night.